Leading our bulletin this hour, the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria has ruled in favour of the Zambian government to have the body of late former President Edgar Lungu repatriated to his home country. The former Zambian president died in June while receiving medical treatment for an undisclosed illness in South Africa. He was 68 years old. Now, Lungu's family wanted him to be buried in South Africa in a private ceremony, where the Zambian government wanted him to be buried in Embassy Park, Lusaka.
The late president was a Zambian national domiciled in Zambia, and the question of a state funeral for a former head of state was intimately linked to Zambian public law and policy. The court held that under Zambian law, and as a matter of public policy, a former president's personal wishes or the wishes of his family cannot outweigh the right of the state to honor that individual with a state funeral and burial at the official site designated for national leaders. It noted that the Zambian courts had previously emphasized that a state funeral is a matter of public interest and protocol for a person of national significance, such that even if a late president had expressed a desire not to be given state funeral, such a wish must be overridden by public interest. In line with this principle, the court in this case concluded that the government of Zambia is entitled to insist on a state funeral for the late president of Zambia. I'm going to read the order in the judgment and hand down the judgment. As a result of the background and the summary that I've given, the order of the court reads as follows. 1. The intervention application is dismissed and no order as to cost. 2. The applications to strike out are dismissed and no order as to cost. 3. The application for condonation and the counter-application are dismissed, no order as to cost. 4. It is ordered that the applicant is entitled to repatriate the body of the late President Edgar Lungu, the late President Lungu, for a state funeral and burial thereafter in Embassy Park, Lusaka, Republic of Zambia.